Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to enable Facebook Marketplace. So, let's dive right in. There are actually two main ways to access Facebook Marketplace, depending on whether you're on your phone or computer. If you're using Facebook on your computer, finding Marketplace is easy. Just look for the little house icon with a storefront window on the left-hand side menu of your Facebook homepage. It should be right below the Events tab. This menu gives you quick access to all the main sections of Facebook, including your profile, newsfeed, groups, pages, events, and of course, Marketplace. Finding Marketplace on the Facebook mobile app can be a little more cryptic. Here are two ways to access it. If you're lucky, you'll see the house icon with a storefront window at the bottom navigation bar. It's usually located near the Notifications icon. This is the most convenient way to access Marketplace, so if you see it, definitely take note of its location for future reference. If you don't see the shortcut icon, don't worry. Just tap the three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner to open the main menu. This menu contains all the features and settings for the Facebook app. Scroll down a bit, and you should see Marketplace listed among the other options. Tapping this will take you to the bustling online marketplace. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.